Today, I'll show you how to add mileage in Gusto, a useful skill for managing employee reimbursements smoothly and efficiently. Whether you're a business owner or a team manager, understanding how to accurately track and reimburse mileage is crucial for maintaining good financial records and ensuring your team members are compensated fairly for their travel expenses. To get started, open up your Gusto account and navigate to the People section. This is where you'll find a comprehensive list of all your employees. Take a moment to locate the specific employee for whom you want to add the mileage reimbursement. This step is important because it ensures you're applying the correct reimbursement to the right person's payroll profile. Once you've selected the employee, you'll want to head over to the Pay section of their profile. This area is essential as it includes various options related to the employee's payment, such as bonuses, salary adjustments, and reimbursements. In this case, we're focusing on adding a reimbursement for mileage. When you're in the Pay section, look for the Add Reimbursement option. This feature allows you to input additional payments that should be made to the employee, separate from their regular salary. Now, you'll see a few different types of reimbursements you can add. For mileage, select Other from the available options. This category is flexible and can be customized to fit various reimbursement needs, including travel expenses like mileage. Once you've selected Other, you'll need to give this reimbursement a name. It's best to keep it simple and descriptive, so type in mileage as the name. This will help both you and the employee easily identify what the reimbursement is for when reviewing pay stubs or records. The next step is to add the amount that you're reimbursing the employee for their mileage. Make sure to calculate this accurately based on your company's reimbursement rate, which is often a set amount per mile driven for work purposes. Double-check your figures to ensure that the amount is correct, as this will directly impact your employee's compensation and your company's financial records. Once you've entered the mileage amount, it's time to save your changes. This is a crucial step, as failing to save may result in the reimbursement not being processed with the employee's next payroll. Look for the Save button and click it to ensure everything is recorded properly in the system. And there you have it. You've successfully added a mileage reimbursement in Gusto. This process not only keeps your records straight, but also ensures that your employees are fairly compensated for their work-related travel. Remember, maintaining transparency and accuracy in reimbursements can go a long way in building trust and satisfaction among your team. If you find yourself doing this frequently, it might be helpful to set up a regular schedule for reviewing and adding reimbursements. This can keep your payroll process running smoothly and avoid any potential confusion or errors down the line. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has made the process of adding mileage in Gusto clear and straightforward for you. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below.